Now I'd like to share with you our CE has developed what we call the SCOPE approach, S.C.O.P.E. In each of our masterclass, we will recommend that you adopt this when you are deliberating and attending this program. Each of the module, adopt this SCOPE approach. And what does it mean? S stands for sharing. Now, as I'm sharing the best practices, concept and tool in this program series of modules for leading in a VUCA world, I would like you to think about what does it mean for me? How does it impact me? What is the relevant to my situation? So I'm going to share with you some of these practices, and you can share with me by communicating with me on our various social media about your experience, your perspective on those issues that we discussed. And C stands for challenge. So we expect you to challenge your way of thinking, your mental model. Challenge yourself. What does it mean? And how am I doing, or what am I doing right now that is different from what we are advocating in this program? So challenge your state of mind, your mental model. Next, you need to keep an open mind. You'll be surprised sometimes, look, you may be wondering, hey, does it really work in my situation? How does it help me in terms of achieving my goals and objectives for my organization or my team? So you need to keep an open mind, and you'll be surprised that you can learn new things, new practices that could help you to be more effective as a leader. And P is the plan of action. In every module that you undertake in this program, series of leadership masterclass program, you will be asked to develop a smart leadership action plan. So plan of action is very important. You need to put into practice immediately when you go back to workplace one action that you feel so important or impactful to you in your learning experience. And lastly, E stands for enjoying. So as you go through this process of learning, enjoy yourself. Take an opportunity to learn, unlearn, relearn, and enjoy the various exercises, the various tools. And you can communicate with me on the various social media, as I said, and that is a beginning of a learning journey. So the S.C.O.P.E, the SCOPE approach, is a action learning approach that we have developed to help in every participant in our Leadership Masterclass series to be able to maximize the learning opportunity. Thank you.